Well, by popular demand, people wanted me to show my birds. So, like, okay, here they are. This is Penny. This is Katie. And over here, this is Lenny. Penny's the only one who listens to me for some reason. Hello. Hello, Penny. How you doing? Smile for the camera. The world wants to see. Okay, no, don't turn. There you go. Okay, you don't want to do that? Fine. You weren't like this before. But you know, whatever. You two, I I got I gotta I gotta like put you in the shape because I don't know what's wrong with you two. Why is Penny such an angel? Seriously, like come on. Why is Penny such an angel compared to the rest of you? She's so cute. Penny. All right, I'm done.